Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back with another Spider-Man hoodie. Today we have the Scarlet Spider. I have been waiting for this for a long time. And I got it, so yeah, we're gonna open up and have a look. So yeah, let go. Okay, here we go guys. We got the red, which is it's kind of a dark red. It looks brighter on the camera. We've got this blue, which also looks brighter on camera. A bit more red here. As you can see, the actual spider logo. More red. The hoodie is obviously blue, as you can see. Just flip it over. Okay. As you can see, there's a spider on the back, which is pretty cool. The only thing is the comics have no spider on the back. The game has it more facing forward, and this had it this way. So I was not really sure, because I was trying to make a cosplay outfit, and I was using like the Lego Scarlet as the you know, so the base, I guess. But yeah, so I'm gonna try it on. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so this is it here. Put the hood up. Stand it back. So you guys can see that. If I just kneel down a bit. This is beautiful, guys. I got this as a 2XL because obviously, like I said, I like my sleeves long because I'm tall, and this is like the perfect size. Wow. Scarlet Spider is my favourite Spider-Man. I am really happy about this. Wow. It's the same material as the Spider-Man hoodie, which is actually downstairs. I don't know why I was looking in that box. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. But the material is again that sportswear type thing. This one is a bit thick though compared to the other one, but it's beautiful. If you unzip it, see, and it's got white on the inside, and the hood itself is blue on the inside. Yeah, I'm wearing Jake Paul merch. But yeah, so that is the Scarlet Spider hoodie, and honestly, I cannot fault this at all. That is so cool. Oh, I'm so happy. This is I've wanted this for literally about 2 or 3 years now. And I just never ever found a website to actually buy it, you know, but eBay, you know where you are. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy this hoodie. And that being said, I'm going to go. Thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you all later. Peace!